In this tutorial, we'll show you how to find your posting keys and talk about the different types of keys you got when you signed up for D.Buzz. When you signed up for D.Buzz or Hive, you would have received a list of different keys in a text file. We will talk about the different key types. The owner key allows you to change your master password, change or make new keys, and recover your account. The active key allows you to transfer funds, power up or down, and vote for witnesses or proposals on Hive. The posting key allows you to post, comment, vote, reblog, follow other users, and edit your profile, and is the key used to log into DBuzz. The memo key allows you to send and view encrypted messages on transfers. In addition to the separate keys, you can also use your username and master password to import all your keys into a Hive wallet dApp like Hive Key Chain. One way to log into DBuzz is with your posting key. If you choose to log in this way, we recommend selecting your key and copy-pasting it instead of typing it out one letter at a time. It's important to note that if you lose your keys, there's no way to get them back, and if someone steals your keys and changes them, you won't be able to log into your account. Therefore, make sure to back up and keep your keys safe. Remember that keeping your keys safe is essential for protecting your account. Thanks for choosing DBuzz as your microblogging dApp of choice.